Greetings. On behalf of every child and young person that we serve here at I-4118, I want to thank you personally. Your support is the very foundation that allows us to walk alongside these children and bring life and hope to under-resourced communities in our country.
Hi everyone. We'd like to thank you. We'd like to thank everyone who supported our mentorship, who sponsored, and we'd love to say we really appreciate all the things that you've done for us. The best is on you. Thank you.
Thank you for your support. Thank you for your support. Bye.
Thank you for investing in whole, resilient, and purpose-filled individuals. We deeply appreciate your partnership.